How you feel? We're complete zombies today. Electric coffee better be the best fucking coffee in all of Tijuana because the day is riding on them basically. He's wafting the coffee smell into his nose. You can tell. So we're trying to find the space for this interview.
I mean, that looks tight. Like if we come this way, it actually dampens the sound a bit from the floor.
Getting my money from the drug cartels to build this.
Pen talk, we start 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first question. Can you? I see.
Mike, how do you say only?
Solamente.
Solamente, hermanos? No? No me gusta? Okay. Luke's running. Gotta get there. Adios. How'd it go? Yeah, I did. I had to said Mike's running. Hit a turn. You can turn this, see?
Oh, nice.
Isn't that thing sick?
Yeah. We're coming with you, if that's okay.
Yeah. I prefer you follow me.
Okay.
We are going to go in a big van, and you can go with.
So we'll follow behind.
Yeah.
Oh, you're going in the van. Okay, great. There he is.
Feels crazy here today, huh? I love this little 50 now. It feels so good on it.
You like it?
It's amazing looking.
Joven, por allá la salida.
Okay.
Hay que respetar, ustedes son de medio, les damos el acceso.
No, igualmente vaya.
That's it? Nada?
¿Qué pasó?
Nada?
What did I tell you? He's a ¿qué? He's a liar.
He said, what did I tell you?
It's a liar.
He's a liar. Almost had kind of the ending to our short here with him bringing the families and bringing them to the shelter that
It'll still be good though, because it's still gonna be. It's still gonna be the story about it trying to get in there. We got in.
Yeah, and it could have been I'm saying it could have been a happy ending there, but now it's all right. So the government is not even letting these. They have them in prison in there basically.
Yeah.
They're no, you're not going anywhere.
But it's not the government so much; it's the guy, the leader guy.
Yeah, and I was gonna say, Gustavo. Oh, look at those fucking surfboards for them.
You want to
Gustavo. I do. Gustavo said that he's not good friends with that guy, so.
He said he hates him.
Yeah. going behind my back and telling the people that I needed to have my sandwich wrapped up instead of having it in salad form.
So my boy's not gonna eat this shit just on the plate.
So they came up with a lettuce wrap.
Oh yeah.
I'm slowly realizing that Mike is out of his mind. But I gotta say, this is definitely a hookup. I mean, where did they get this lettuce? It's just like a pita.